Hey guys, Steve, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing part 4 of my CLC music video reaction marathon. Y'all, I'm super excited, even though it's starting to come to an end, but not really. It's still, kind of sad, since this is going to be the last part for the group portion of the music videos, because then the next few parts are going to be of Soren with her solo career, and then Yeon's solo music as well, and some other stuff. But today we're going to be checking out their most recent comeback, Helicopter, and then we're also going to be checking out some promotional choreography videos for several of their B-sides from their #1 album, which are Show, I Need You, and Breakdown. So we're going to be doing Helicopter first, to finish up group MVs, but I really am excited to check this one out, since I was really hyped for this comeback when I first heard the teaser. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's start. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Bruh. Like, the cinematic intro really had me. Whoa! Oh boy! Oh! Hey! Oh Lord! You're about to fuck it up. Yeah! Woo! She looks so good. Hey! She eats it on there. So cute! I love the pink. Bruh, Bestie Unbin got a rap after how many years? Sungyeon. That outfit, insane. Yujin looking like an angel, literally. Yes, get your lines, girly. Sungyi looks so good. Hey, bruh. I remember learning that whole entire helicopter hand move. Sword. I really love how the whole music video is focused on crystals and just that kind of aesthetic. It looks so much more expensive. I love Sungyi's outfit right there. Hey! Bruh. She's hot and she knows it. Let's be for real here. All their earrings, I just noticed. They're insane, but I love them. Yes, girl, get it. Yes! Wow. I love how Elky's set kind of looks like something from the circus or something. Yes! Lord! Lord! I love this, the build-up. It's the build-up. Hey. Yes. I really love the lighting in this music video too. Wow! Main vocal, eating it up. Oh, in the background, bro. Yes, I really like the camera work towards that here. Wow! Yes, the journey never ends. And that was fucking 71 million views, y'all. Well deserved, honestly. Alright, well you guys, that was my reaction to Helicopter by CLC. Yeah, like I said, really hyped up this comeback. I think it was because, at the time, it was like over a year since Devil, so I was like really anticipating it. So, and then when they released that like audio snippet video with the behind the scenes, I guess, of them taking their concept photos, the photo shoot, when I listened to that, I was like, oh, this is gonna be expensive, good song, you know what I mean? So I was so on top of it, and you know, I thought that was gonna be like my ultimate favorite CLC song, which it's up there. It's not. I'm not gonna lie. It's probably like in the top 3, but like still, no, to this day, hands down, had me shook. But I loved this whole music video. It looked really cool. I will say towards the end it was kind of getting a little bit repetitive, because even though each member had their own set in a way, you know, I feel like they could have at least had like 1 or 2 more for like the group. So that's Cube Entertainment's issue though, not the girls. The girls did nothing wrong. But yeah, I really love the song though. I love how Eunmin got a little rap, you know, my bias, I gotta appreciate that. Seunggi's high note at the ends, bruh. She ate that, like so much to unpack here. So, and 71 million views, yeah, deserved. Hello. But anyways, you guys, that was all of the music videos that I have checked out for CLC. So now we're gonna be checking out some like promotional videos for a couple of their B-sides from number 1. So I believe that these were released at the time to promote a town or not province, but like just like a little, like I guess a district within Seoul, because it was CLC collaborating with Songdong Doshi Jae-sing. I don't even know if I said that right. Ooh. But anyways, they did a collaboration with, I think, like a district to promote the area. So they ended up basically doing more like just like a visual, I guess, video of like some of the members going around certain places within the town, and they just played the song over it. So we're gonna be checking out Show first, and that one has Yeon in it. But I really like this song. All these songs, like number 1 is my favorite album from them, in my opinion. Every single song on there is my favorite. So, but yeah, we're gonna be checking it out next. Yes. I'm kind of sad that they didn't really like promote any of the B-sides for this album. I love this song. I just love I love her with her blonde hair. Like she's like, yeah, I know, I look good in blonde, so what? Yes. Like this song kind of gives me like springtime going into summer type vibe. Yes. Hey. I wish there was a choreography video for this song. I know they performed it at their showcase, but like, I need more. Hey. This video is making me miss Korea. Bro, I need to go back soon. Lord. Yes. I forgot who produced the song, but they did amazing things. Yeah. Ooh, this part. She ate that. She ate that up. Unbin, bruh. I can't. I can tell my biased voice. Well, I can tell all of CLC. Let's be real. Yes. Hey, I love the like whole body roll. Wow. Bruh. Alright, y'all. That was my reaction to Show. Like I said, one of my favorites. I honestly can't even say which B-side for this album is my favorite because I love every single one of them. We're gonna be checking out 2 more of them right after this. But Show, I think that it could have been this one or Like It. I feel like Show or Like It could have been really good B-sides to promote after No. But like for whatever reason, Cube Entertainment didn't want to do it, so it's like we only got them to blame, to be honest. So, but you know, I guess we got something out of it with this video, so we can at least appreciate it, I guess, you know. But yeah, Yin looked so good in this video, can I just say. Alright, so up next we're gonna be checking out I Need You with Soren and Unbin, so our 2 English queens. Yeah, I Need You was an English song, which I remember it took me a long time to realize that it was an all English song. I didn't really think that I understood everything, but at the same time I thought it was really weird how like everything was making sense to me when I was listening to the song. And yeah, I think it took me some time until I actually like watched a line distribution video and I was reading the lyrics and I realized that it was all in English. And honestly, I feel like if there's gonna be a song that's gonna blow up again for CLC, like if it was like we had to have like a song that would like pull like a roll-in, Brave Girls roll-in moment, I feel like with how K-pop is going right now, I feel like I Need You could be the perfect song for CLC to blow up, just because like, I don't know, I feel like it just fits the vibe and the sound fits everything that like most K-pop groups are kind of trying to go for right now. But that would just be like, you know, like for a B-side, if I had to pick like a title track to blow up, like Hello, it could literally be like any of them. But yes, so anyways, we're gonna be checking out I Need You next.
I need you,
Yes!
I need
Bruh.
I need you,
Like, man, can we get a choreography video for this one too? Like, come on.
I got lost in your eyes from the first touch. It's a universe full of
Bruh, they look so pretty in these promotional videos. Like, they didn't have any crazy outfits, but just themselves. Wow! Yes. Bro, imagine getting to like walk down like the streets of Seoul with like Sworn and Unbent. Man, that'd be so cool. Just vibing in the rain. Hey. Uh-huh. Man, I miss my bias, bro. I need her to come back into the music industry, because what the hell? Also, can we appreciate like all the members' voices? Like Sungyi's English, I love it. Oh. Hey. Oh, I like that camera. Hold up. Oh.
I want me, I just wanna be a honey. All night long, love me and kiss me, feel me, kill me, hit me with your love. I just think about you, you think about me, and lick my lip. You live deep inside me, no one lie. I know you want it.
Not the like with the way it was like the phone was holding, it kind of looked like it was like an Apple like placement. Hey, and I love how it's sunny now. Hey, look it up, girls. Get to it. Yes! Bruh, they ate that up, I'm not gonna lie. How many? Damn, only 200k? Okay, it's okay, it's okay. I mean, like I said, these were just promotional videos, but still. But yeah, like I said, I did not realize this was an all English song, but like after hearing it, like it's not like how most K-pop English songs are. Like I don't know, like I feel like most like K-pop songs that are in English, for like a good, or like not for the most part, but like a good portion of them have like really questionable lyrics. So I really like how this song was like written really well. Like I said, I don't remember who produced the song exactly, but they did an amazing job, and CLC did it justice. Man, if only people like gave the CLC the recognition, this song would be so good. They might have had to promote this song as their B-side for like after No. They could have done that too. Who knows? But alright, so now the last video we're gonna be checking out for today, you guys, is going to be a Breakdown, which is another B-side from number 1. And today we're going to be checking out Breakdown with Sungyeon. So this is gonna be the last one. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's go. Hey. I really like the beat to this song. I wasn't necessarily the biggest fan of it at first, but I appreciate it now. Wow. I love how they're filming at night. Oh, the lights. For all these choreographies, man. Like, I need to see them. I need to see them now. I just need to. Yes. My lord. Get into it, girly. Yes. Also, I saw that she's in LA now, I think. Doing dance classes. Good for you, girl.
But now it doesn't matter with you. I'm done. Worry, I'm better than most of. I'm done. 결국 먼저 했던 말. 이제서야 어떤 사람인지 보여. 아무 일 없단 듯이 말해. It's so beautiful night.
Hey.
But now it doesn't matter.
I really like how she had like her hair styled in this video. I like some of it's on the side. Oh, there's the ponytail. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if she did the choreography for this song. Just the way she's given right now, like, it's insane. Hey, get into it! I love the silhouette shot. Wow! Oh my gosh. What? Is there an ice cream truck going in the background? Okay. Anyways, well, you guys, that was the final part for at least a group portion of my CLC music video reaction marathon. Like I said, I'm still gonna be checking out Soren's solo music, all of her music videos again, and then I'll also be checking out Yeon's solo music videos. But man, CLC, bro, I need them to come back for real. I know that like we've been saying this for the past 4 years now, but like I really need it. I desperately need it, bro. I am not leaving. Okay, I am not like. This is like nothing's changing, Brad. This YouTube channel name is staying the same like forever. Like I am not changing the fucking name of the channel anytime soon. But man, but anyways, you guys, that's all I have you guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to follow all my social media links in the description below, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.